In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get records in Zoho CRM. We'll walk through how to export records from your Zoho CRM account so you can download them, back them up, or work with them in tools like Excel or Google Sheets. I'll go slowly and explain what each part does so you feel confident following along. First, make sure you're logged in to your Zoho CRM account and that you're on the main dashboard. To begin, look towards the top right corner of your screen. You'll see a small gear icon, which is the setup menu. This is where Zoho keeps most of the configuration and data tools. Go ahead and click that gear icon to open the setup page. Once setup is open, you'll see several sections organized by category. What we want is the area that controls your information behind the scenes. Look for the section labeled Data Administration. This is the part of Zoho CRM that lets you manage, back up, and move your data around. When you find Data Administration, click on it to open the options inside. Within Data Administration, you should see an option called Export. This is the tool that lets you pull records out of Zoho CRM into a file that you can download. Click on Export to move to the export screen. On the export page, you'll need to tell Zoho which type of records you want. Zoho organizes information into modules like leads, contacts, accounts, deals, and so on. Near the top of this page, you'll see a drop-down menu for selecting the module. Click on that drop-down and choose the module that contains the records you want to download. For example, if you want a list of all your contacts, choose Contacts. If you want sales opportunities, choose Deals. Take a moment to double-check your selection so you're exporting exactly what you need. After you've selected the correct module, you're ready to start the export. Look for the blue button labeled Export. When you click this button, Zoho CRM will begin preparing a file that contains the records from the module you selected. Depending on how many records you have, this might take a few moments. Once it's done, you'll either see a download link or the file will download automatically to your computer, usually in a CSV format that you can open in a spreadsheet tool. And that's it. By using Setup, Data Administration, and the Export tool, you can quickly get your records out of Zoho CRM and into a format that's easy to use